In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert currency in PayPal to spend your online earnings more effectively. Whether you're freelancing, running an online store, or just receiving payments from friends or clients in different currencies, understanding this process is key. Let's dive into how you can easily make these conversions in PayPal, ensuring you can access and utilize your earnings without any hassle, all within just 5 minutes. First things first, you'll want to start by navigating to the PayPal website by entering the URL or simply searching for PayPal in your web browser. Once there, you'll notice the familiar PayPal homepage. Here, locate the login button typically found in the upper right corner. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your credentials. It's important that your login details are secure, so take a moment to ensure everything is entered correctly before proceeding. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main account dashboard. This is where you can manage your payments and preferences. To begin converting your currency, look for the option labeled Pay and Get Paid at the top of your screen. Clicking this will lead you to a variety of financial management tools within your PayPal account. Next, focus your attention on the Wallet tab. This area is dedicated to your various account balances and financial information. Once inside, click on Balance. This will provide a detailed overview of the different currencies you hold in your PayPal account. Here you will see a list of all your balances held in different currencies. Identify the specific currency balance you wish to convert. Perhaps it's in euros or another currency you've received. Once you've located it, click on the Convert Currency button. This action initiates the currency conversion process. When prompted, enter the specific amount you wish to convert. It can be the full balance or just a portion of it depending on your needs. Double check that amount to ensure accuracy, as this step is crucial for proper financial planning. Finally, confirm the amount and the conversion with PayPal. Make sure to review any applicable conversion rates and fees that might apply to your transaction. Clicking confirm will finalize the conversion, and within moments your specified amount will be converted into your preferred currency. And there you have it, a seamless way to convert currency in PayPal, allowing you to maximize the usability of your online earnings. By following these steps, you can ensure your money is always where you need it, in the currency you require. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and insights on how to manage your finances online.